Hello gorgeous, it has been a while, but I am back better than ever. And today I am going to teach you my 3 favorite booty exercises for at home. You can use this resistance band, a long one if you want, or a short one. Doesn't really matter. You can also do it without. Then I'll give you some alternations to make sure you still get your burn. Let's go. If you have a longer band, this one is going to be like so. We are going to start off with some squats to warm up. You put the band under both your feet and you pull it up like so, and you flip your wrists to the top so that you don't drop it, because this is way harder than you are also going to use your upper body. But now you kind of just lock it in place, and then you squat down, and then you come up real slow, because that's where the resistance band is going to pull you back down. So you go down and you come up. When you squat, you make sure, obviously, that you keep your core tight. You go down, you have your weight on your heels, and you bring everything back up. If you don't have a resistance band, you are going to go slow both down and up. So you go down in 3 counts, and 1, 2, 3, up. If you want to make it even harder, you go down, you squeeze your glutes, you can put your hands on your booty to make sure that you know where the glutes are, and then you come back up in 3 counts. If you have a shorter resistance band, you go down and you push knees out and back and up. So that's 3 exercises in one, basically. But let's move on to my favorite, number 2. If you have a resistance band, a long one like this one, you are going to kick back. So you put one foot under the resistance band and you kick back. If this is hard for your balance, you can hold on to something and hold it with one hand, and you kick back. And make sure that when you kick back, keep your ribs tight, you keep your core tight, and then you slowly kick back. If you don't have a resistance band, you're going to kick back and you're going to pulse, and you're going to keep it there, and you will feel the burn, I promise. If you have a shorter resistance band, depending on how tight it is or how strong it is, you can use it. Otherwise, you can do the version without the band. Then, for the 3rd and last favorite exercise, we're going to go to the ground. You don't need the resistance band for this one. You come on your knees, and it's a fire hydrant. So you come up like a peeing dog, and then you kick, and then you come back and down and kick. Try to do that 10 times on both sides to really feel the burn, and I promise you will, because this is the hardest one. Try not to wiggle your upper body too much when you do this, so keep everything tight. Only move your leg up, kick, back, down. And those were my 3 favorite booty exercises at the moment to do at home.